Good afternoon, student. Today we will see the new chapter, Unit 9, Plant Ecology. Okay, in this chapter we can see about the underlined, will be able how the distinguish between the important and appreciate the uses of technology and participate in the commonly activities. Everything we can study in this lesson. So already we have studied the what is deforestation, afforestation and greenhouse ocean depletion. So the same way only we will read in this lesson also. So these are the what are the environmental issues happen in our world. So global warming. So it is a general chapter only. So everyone you can write your own deforestation, afforestation. You are studying in 6th standard itself. So you can write, if you know English very well, means you have to answer this lesson. What are the questions they are asking in the public exam, you can write easily. Okay, so today we will see them carbon capture and storage. Okay, carbon capture and storage is a technology of capturing carbon dioxide and inject it deep into the underground rocks into depth of how many kilometer? 1 kilometer. For more than it is approached that it's a global warming by the capturing CO2 from the large point sources such as industrial and power plants and subsequently storing it instead of releasing it into the atmosphere. Various safe sites have been selected for the permanent storage in the various deep geological formation, liquid storage in the ocean and solid storage by the reduction of CO2 with metal oxide to produce a stable carbonate. It is also known as the geological sequestration. Okay, so CO2 is the directly carbon capture and storage. So CCS, it is a very important one. So carbon sequestration is the process by the capturing the CO2, underline the word CO2, which reduce the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere with the goal of reducing the global climate changes. Carbon sequence occur naturally by plants and in ocean. So terrestrial sequence is typically accomplished through the forest area. Okay, the soil erosion will be stored. Where it will be stored? In the soil places under the rock. In this place and all, the carbon is more content present in that. Okay, so it is what is in use in the biology, that you have to question will be arise. The answer for this question is an example of the microalgae such as species of Chlorella, Pseudomonas, Coracosus and Chlamydomonas. So plants and animals both used together but a single organism, okay, are used globally for CO2 sequestration. Trees, like what are the trees are very helpful for this? Euquania. And the next one is Tectomas, cinnamon. Okay, in your biryani can we use that, no? Cinnamon is very important for. Without cinnamon, the biryani is not coming at the taste. Okay, because of the cinnamon, it give all the non-vegetarian food we can add the cinnamon. So these are the have the high level of the capacity of the CO. Okay, so macroalgal and marine grasses, mangroves is also very important for the carbon dioxide. Next, carbon footprint. So maybe it is a new word for some of them, many of them here in this word. What is the carbon footprint? That is CFB. So full form of CFB is carbon footprint. Every human activity leaves a mark just like the footprint. So we are animals. So for example, Jurassic Park, you that film you saw, that means the footprint of the Jurassic Park, the dinosaurs only. We know that the dinosaurs present in the past years. Now it is not. It is an endangered animal. We can say that. So on the base on the carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases produced by the human activity such as agriculture, industry, deforestation, waste disposal, burning fossil fuel directly. So these are the measured can be individual, family and organization like industry. Okay, so the burning of the fossil fuel release the CO2, that you know that the burning of the fuel and the global temperature resulting in the ice melting, submerging of the low lying area and imbalance in nature like cyclones, tsunamis and extreme weather conditions. To reduce the carbon footprint, we can follow some practice like eating indigenous fruit and products, reduce use of your electronic device, reducing traveling, do not buy fast and preserved packed foods, plant a garden, less consumption of meat and seafood, poultry recuse. So on the little basis, nutrition, less pollution, comparing the cattle. What is the carbon sink? It is a very important question, mark down ma. Any system having the capacity of the accumulate more atmospheric carbon during the given time. So it is an example for a soil erosion and nature skill landfill. Okay, so it is reduce the, so use the laptops. So when you have to use the 8 hours, how many this will be releasing the CO2 means 2 kg. But what will do that nowadays online, the whole world is running by the online classes, online works, everything. So but it is very problem for our world. But because the reduced use of laptops, because laptops, if you using the laptops 8 hours meant it release nearly 2 kg CO2. how many annually, so it is also some problem happens, so that is only we call as a CFPOI. Okay, so if you have informed fruit like kiwi, so and Indian CPF, how the fruit has traveled a long distance shipping and airliner, the emitting ton of CO2. So kiwi you can import it or buy any kiwi fruit also, it's like in problematic. Okay, next class we will see the biocare.